Welcome once again. Let's talk about LUNC. It has been confirmed that Luna will burn about 100 billion coins before the end of the year. Okay, now, but the possibility to burn that is very difficult. The journey to destroy that is very difficult because right now they are still at 70 billion burn in 15 months. That means, remember, from now to December, this is already September, October, November, December. We are talking about in the next 4 months to come. And in the next 4 months to come, imagine Terra Classic destroying about 30 billion coins, which I think it will be very, very difficult for LUNC. But if Luna can record over $500 million or $1 billion trading volume in 24 hours, yes, there's a possibility they can even burn more than that. There's a possibility they can destroy even more than 30 billion coins in the next 4 months, because when Terra Classic trading volume was hitting between 500 to 1 billion, definitely we all saw how Binance was able to destroy about 8.5 billion coins within 2 months. Now this time around, they also want to all the top burners of Terra Classic, from Crib Nation, from Lunatic, Binance, and all the top burners will definitely engage in the exercise of burning Terra Classic. And I believe that this 100 billion target, I don't think it will be possible this year, but I think from now to the middle of next year, from now to June 2024, Terra Classic can really hit that target because the trading volume for Terra Classic is very low. Imagine Binance recently burned below $1 billion. That tells you that Terra Classic will find it difficult to even burn more coin. In fact, every month Binance will be dropping the task of burning of Terra Classic. The number of coins they normally destroy in a month will keep on dropping, since the trading volume is also dropping, and also the market cap has been dropping, except something different happen, or except with Terra Classic attract huge investors like Wells, Blue Wells, Wells 007. That is where we believe that if we can record huge trading volume, there's a possibility that next burning Binance might be able to burn over 1 billion coins of Terra Classic. But let's just see how it goes before the end of the month. Let's see how it goes by October 1st or 2nd. Let's see if Binance will be able to cross 1 billion again. And if Binance burns below 1 billion, just like it did recently, Binance burned about over 700 million coins. If Binance burned below 700 million coins, that's when Binance was able to burn 500 or 400. Believe it, it is now totally over for Terra Classic. But if they're able to cross 1 billion burn again, if they're able to burn over 1 billion coins, then there is hope. There is hope that Terra Classic might bounce back. But that is just it. If Terra Classic fails to burn fails to burn above 1 billion, then for me, it will be totally over for Terra Classic LUNC. But let's watch how it goes, and let's see if Binance will be able to deliver. But Binance delivering simply depends on the trading volume. Binance burning high coin simply depends on what is happening, the market movement of Terra Classic. That is the truth. So it doesn't mean that Binance must. It depends on the community, it depends on the engagement, it depends on how money flows in and out of Terra Classic. That is what determines how much coin Terra Classic will be able to burn. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.